Nice.
You cheated.
No. The fact that you are not looking nice doesn't mean you're not.
You see your life. You see. Let's take it again. See my lips.
Yeah.
Pussy. Yeah, that's my brother. Yeah. Pussy, how dare you bring in a granny to my house? Are you out of your senses? Black. Are you stupid? Look at this boy. You are not even ashamed of yourself. You are bringing a granny to my house. And you, what are you doing here? Black, I say, what are you doing here? Black, this is disrespectful. You are mad. Are you? Please, can you go? I say out! Wait, hold on. Hold on, please, don't go. Black. You just suck my guest away.
Did you see the insults you are bringing to my house? Do you see the insults?
Black, this is getting beyond limit. This is exceeding what I was expecting. This is too much for me, Black. And see, this will be the first and last. Bringing a girl into my house. How dare you? How dare you? Black. Oh. Black, if you're supposed to do this, it shouldn't be in front of my guest, Black. You are stupid. I mean, you are mad. Black, remember what I've done for you. What have you done? Okay, fine. What have you done? We shall see. We shall see. You go and come back with nothing, and you say you done something with. What have you done to me? Black, you've disgraced me. This is getting beyond. This will be the first and last. I don't want this to repeat again. If you repeat again, you're going to see the backside of me. Watch out. This guy, me, watch out. Me. Oima, me very sorry. I will behave your name brother and show you. Monsieur Fache Mwati. How can I say Black? May the guest a beefy or by see some unnecessary behavior you put it up there. This is unbearable. Oima, Monsieur, DC and Fache Mwati. Black. Oima, Monsieur, Wati. It been CB. Why? Just say, do you know Kwame and Kasama dream one in Tiasia? This is how he's behaving with me in this house. See ya no limit here. Just say, oh mami nyasu. God.
Don't worry.
We are very sorry, Mr. Ohima. Mr. Why?
Mr. You're okay. It's not your fault. Is it your fault? No. Oh, grandpa in the family, no. He's more treating you, mommy. So I get it. But you know what? I think it's a fault in name free. Hello.
Welcome at it. Welcome at it. Why?
Fault in name.
So also you're okay, dear.
Yeah, okay. Maybe. Unyano. We share me pen. I nanko pen and I'm in she. Until I think say, or no na pen na me fi na who say me no nam a hand. That's the whole thing. So don't worry.
It's no or yes, I put up that behavior.
Yeah, I think so.
But it's a disgrace. Like total disrespectful to just say.
Don't worry. It's okay.
God. Anima.
I said it's okay. It's okay. It's not your fault. And then you want so now call say.
Me and say me free fear. Cause say me peace of mind, pa me. I can't even progress cause I'm draining you stable. Wait, I'm sorry.
Don't worry.
Yeah, sorry.
No.
Phone really. But yeah, until I there, mommy koja kwina. So say the assembly see no your kid there because sisi akwa me hu dia men kan chọ because the way I see wa botre a che say wo hu mo bro ne wa homrase no kra ma me pe wasem mo me hu an mani age on say de bia baba na me dwen but the moment me hu na me sere because we no we calm che say me tell me wo outside in I never met people like you but me hu mani age like me hu ya me sure what it
and I will sir, sure, Senka, you have everything. No one will show you. Say we say, "If you and your person meet the right people, it's now we see some culture say, calm down, pray. Never will meet your person. If you have everything,
I'm sure to say what can't crash saying natural.
Thank you.
I'll be over. You're very sorry. You're very sorry. Nah, I'm for you.
We are bound to which inside we send an okay. Oh,
sorry,
the my brother, it's no idea. My mother, some way.
I am with you. I'm with you.
And you but you now say you are not happy to see me.
Oh, come on.
Oh, please.
Come on, man. Yes, sir. I say, and you're my beauty. Me sorry, what? Now, it's
bedroom say ya.
Missing me who manager. I make us in manager.
Anyway, call Chrome. Got it all one and soldier. If you so be you will live me, I also see Johnson.
The auto mommy.
Yeah,
you bought all these for me. Let me see. Let me check it out.
I hope say your size because.
No. I can't check this thing outside here, please. Wow, I'm so happy. I don't mostly receive this gift. Honestly, I don't mostly receive this gift.
Yeah, it's all yours.
It's a blessing to see you. I'm so happy. Come on. I'm so happy. I wish I could do the same thing for you. This is my position.
Don't worry.
I'm the one to do this for you.
I know, but let's go. I just passed by to bring you this. I'm leaving. Okay. Hello. I'm leaving.
All right, sure. Thank you so much.
Later.
So when I come back again,
I'll call you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. Take care of yourself.
Bye.
All right, see you. Businessman so
oh, some girls there, I just the mercy for them. When I see some girls, I just the pity for them. Oba kama say, look at the type of guy you are working with. This non-entity guy.
And do you think you are better than him?
Can't you see us that can take good care of you?
Because of your filthy money? Huh?
I have the cash, I have the money.
And so what? Not every girl wants your filthy money. Get that? I don't love you. I will never love you.
Excuse, let me tell you one thing. You know, this guy is this guy. Are you stupid? Allow me to talk.
Don't insult him. Don't insult him.
And let me talk.
Talk.
This guy is just he have nothing. This guy have nothing.
And he has gotten the girl, not you. You have everything, but you don't have the girl.
I can take care of
I don't want you. I don't even like your personality. Neither do I like your money. So get the hell out of our lives. Let's go.
Are you serious?
Let's go. Don't let him spoil your mood.
This guy can never take good care of you.
Black.
Just listen to
Black.
me. Let me tell you something.
Black, you know we are on the street.
And so what?
Black, we should show respect to each other on
And
the
so
street.
fucking what?
And besides, there's a girl in between us.
You know you don't have money. You can't do anything. So what are you bragging for? You have to keep
fact
calm.
that you have money doesn't mean you can buy every girl. You get that?
So far as I have money, I can
Oh.
buy every girl.
Gosh.
Babes, let's go.
Yeah.
You are
But
no
you-
wealth.
You! We
guy-
shall meet in the house.
Why are you warning me? Look at this nomentity guy. Are you
Let's
stupid?
go. Stop insulting him.
Oh, my friend. I'm not talking to you anymore. Since
All
you don't
that you
want to-
guys say,
It's okay.
he can't take care of you. Do I need a guy to take care of me? No, I can take care of myself.
Looking at you, you need help.
I don't.
You need help.
Ha. Babe, do you know
Because
what? Let's go. Forget
this
it.
fool can never and ever do anything good.
You're
for
more
you.
stupid than him. Babe, let's go.
You are calling him a burb. He's a fool. You are just calling a fool a burb. But when he finish you, you will know who you are calling a burb. Look at this fool that come back with nothing. You are just making fun of him. You think you have got a very beautiful lady? It's going to end you in a